Hello. Today, I'm going to introduce you to my stuffed animals. Come on. This big puff thing I got from Jackson. His name is Puzzy because it's fuzzy and he's a penguin. So don't criticize my names. Okay, moving on. I'll save the best for last. Okay, second of all, you have Turd. He's a turtle. He's fuzzy. I named him Turd because, well, turtle starts with turd. Oh, I made at least 3 turds a day. Okay, and now we have my doggy friend. Okay. His name is Doggy Feel Better because when I was like the hospital, his name is Feel Better. Well, this is last. But here we have my little pet named Uni. As you can see, he's a unicorn. Okay, next we have my 3 monkeys. See, you have Geronimo, Giraffe, and Petunia. Geronimo's still in the box. Whoa, awesome. Next one is this one. Let's keep moving on. Okay, so this isn't really a stuffed animal, but I sleep with her every night. Her name is Blanky, and I had her since I was like 2. I mean, 0, like 2 months. He's blessed. This is the end of this episode. Goodbye. Goodbye.